Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good morning. Let's see. Let's say. Boom. Boom. 1 second, everybody. And we're good to go. Good morning. Who we got in here? Jersey, HD, Goku, AW, Vincent, FMG, AW, Abel, Martha, Ronald, Sonia, I think is how you say it. Steven, Jonathan, Morris, Ashley, ROCCO, I think it's Roku or Rocco. AKHIL, Caswell, Carrier, Compliance Services, Jake, Matthias, Jakesta, Jim, and HSU. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody's weekend? You have a good one? Nice, relaxing. You guys back test, work on your trading, anything fun? Let me know how everybody's weekend was. And in the meantime, I'm going to pull up the economic calendar to see what's rocking and rolling. Today, consumer credit at 3. Don't really have too much tomorrow. Nothing on Wednesday. And then CPI is going to be on Thursday. So that's going to be important. And then PPI on Friday. So back to back. Nice. Nice. Alrighty. And then also, real quick, hold on. Let me get my phone. Hold on. If you guys haven't already, if you want a 2-day free trial to Team Bull, we got a 2-day free trial going on right now. Let me get the link for you guys. If you guys want to trade live with me for the next 2 days for completely free, make sure you guys join in. Hold on, let me get this. We got a fire webinar today with Anna Cooling. I'm also doing a webinar. So let me get this link for you guys real quick. Again, 2-day free trial. If you want to trade live with me and Team Bull the next 2 days, there's the link right there. Boom. No, I do not use footprint charts. I don't even know how to find them. I tried to look at it or tried to find them, but I have no idea what app people are using to get them. Either way, though, I probably still wouldn't use it because I use Bookmap. Thank you. Put in a lot of effort to those bootcamp videos. Anyways, let's hop into the analysis. Let's start with ES. See what we got going on. Nice monthly squeeze that I'm going to be watching very closely. All right, start with the daily. So that 44.98 to 4,500 is a big area. You can see previous resistance right here. Just mark that level as well. This is more so our demand zone. So 44.93 all the way up to 4,500. You can see that we touched it on Friday. Got a little bit of a bounce in the overnight session. So, I mean, if we break below, then I'll be bearish from there. Plus, I believe we hit a 61.8. I think it might be on SPY. No, it's right here. So, also that area, very interested for if price can spike back down into this zone. I'd be interested in a bounce. Yeah, plus we got the 50 right there. So, I really like that area. It's an add-on for Bookmap. How do I add it on Bookmap? You have to tell me. But yeah, very interested in a spike back down into this area and then a potential bounce. But I mean, from there, I don't see anything till here. And then till here. And then we have a little bit of demand right here at 43.90. But, we're all the way up at 4,500. So I don't see anything right now. Bring it down to a 4-hour. Tell you what, I'd be interested up here. There's actually a few rejects that we can watch because we also have supply forming up in this area. So, actually go ahead and delete that. This was the previous resistance, 45.60. Smacked and rejected. All right, so I like 45.72 to 45.35. If we break above there, then that's when we start getting into supply. We have like this huge supply zone up here on multiple different time frames. So it starts on the 1 hour. Actually, go ahead and just delete that. Starts on the 1 hour. Break it down to a 45-minute. You can see it there. Break it down to a 30-minute. You can see it there. So if we actually push up into this level, I'd be interested. Just type in 30. Perfect. So there's that. Those are my rejects. Here's my bounce. If we break below the bounce, then got a lot more downside, it looks like. Yeah, I mean, nothing of interest. Maybe the 70.7, that'd be like the only other area. 44.76. Alrighty. That's why I got the boot camp up on my channel. We got 6 days worth of videos so far. We're going the entire 31 days of this month for the boot camp. So make sure you guys are watching them. Make sure you are watching them. But there's ES. Let's take a look at SPY. What a misprint. Jeez. I kind of just ruined everything. Anyways, all right, let's start with the daily. Of course, I deleted all my drawings from the weekend, I believe. Yes, I did. Man, all right, whatever. So we got, let's go down to a 4 hour. We got this pivot low, pivot high. This pivot low, pivot high. Still very interested at that 445.2 to 0.3 if we get down there for a bounce. Then after that, 442. This bar is going to annoy me. Remove. Boom. All right. See, I like it down there for bounces. And then if I'm going to watch a reject, pivot high, pivot low, 449.50 to 450.25. And then again on ES, we do have that supply zone up here. Personally, I just do supply and demand on ES and NQ. No, misprints don't mean anything. Just delete them off your chart. Alrighty. Alrighty. So that appears to be about it on SPY for the time being. So 40, what is that? 452.9. Good morning. And again, if you guys want this watch list, make sure you guys are running up that like button. If you want it, we need 225 likes. That is the goal. So 225 likes for the watch list. Boom, and let's get that pin. You guys know the drill. 225. Alrighty, so there's SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. Same thing. Weird misprints. Very weird misprints. Starting on the 4 hour. Nice little 4 hour squeeze. Already broke that. Don't care about that. I like 369.2. And that's way down there. All right, so here's my bounces. Would prefer 367.50. It's just going to take a little bit to get us down there. Good morning. But let's see if we can go ahead and get rid of that. This is a pretty big zone right here that we actually haven't retested yet. So potentially resistance there. Then this has been pretty strong, 371.6. If I am going to look for a reject, yeah, I mean, it's probably just going to be here to here with the fibs. Pivot high, pivot low. So, going to watch those areas. We already pretty much tapped that. So, let's see, NQ. And then we will get to the individual stocks. Pivot high, right at that 61.8. Pivot low, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. Broke that fib cluster. Yeah, so that first, oh my god, 15315.5 looks to be the area. And then down there. So that is what we will watch for bounces. If we push to the upside, we do have potential rejects up here, including supply. So many different areas we can watch for a reject. All depends on price action. If we just break through all these levels, guess what? No trade. Minute. Yes, the boot camp is going to teach you technical analysis. Yes, indeed. Extension off. Boom. All right, so that is everything on SPY, QQQ, ES, NQ. Let's take a look at some individuals and the weekly watch list, which I did not upload this week. Won't be uploading SPY and QQQ market updates or top stocks for the next month. And honestly, I'm thinking about just stopping the top stocks video. It's becoming very oversaturated. Like when I started, there wasn't a lot of people doing it. Now it's like everybody is uploading top stock videos. So I think I might just stop. Pretty oversaturated. Come up with other video ideas. Oh no. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoy the top stocks, should I keep doing them? But personally, I kind of want to stop doing them. Let's start with AMD. Interested down at 107, but we're all the way up at 116, and then a crack of 122. Amazon, interested below 139.32. If we got below there. Nice daily gap to fill. I mean, if the market got weak, I would watch it. So I like Amazon. Boeing has a daily gap, or no. Boeing, I'm waiting for the bounce. So just going to keep an alert down there, 50% retracement. Google. See, Google had the daily gap as well. So if the market gets weak, just watch it below. Google, Meta had one as well. We'll see with Meta. I do like that daily gap. Meta. Roku. Really like a potential bounce on this one. Want to see us get down into 83. That's like the main area I'm watching for Roku. But we do have a nice little like 4-hour falling wedge going on here. So I mean that could come into play. I would just prefer the bounce. So we'll see. Maybe if it breaks today, we can get a swing to take it back up. But really interested in the bounce. Watching CarMax first swing. KMX. Nice little consolidation with the squeeze. Uranium looking for a leap here. I like the monthly time frame. And then SLB. I don't trade crude oil. I do not trade crude oil. And then SLB, we're looking for the pullback for a swing. Cool. So out of the weekly watch list, I like Amazon and Meta. Whoop-de-doo. All right, let's take a look at some other individuals. Run that 21 EMA. Boom. All right, Apple. With the Apple, I'm only interested down at 180. Also, Friday Whew, we caught a banger on Apple. We caught 170% trade on Apple. Literally right off the open. If you guys were in here, we talked about my bounce level. Price came down. Nice little bullish reaction off of it. Told everybody in the team that I was getting long on Apple. And we were able to catch this thing for 170%. Within, what is that? 8 minutes of the day. So, beautiful trade. But, I mean, Apple, I'd be interested in a reject around 184.30 if we actually pushed. So we can put that. Apple, Airbnb, don't care about. AI, don't care about. AMD, don't care about. Actually, that Amazon doesn't look bad for a bounce either. 139.50. Boeing, we're still waiting for. Caterpillar, 274.18. Question is there liquidity? We're looking for the bounce at 274.18. I mean, there's liquidity in the 270s. We'll put a big question mark next to that one. All right, so we looked at that. Coin, don't care about. Costco, still in the equity. Google, we're waiting for that. IWM, don't care about. Mara broke below this symmetrical triangle. No setup there. Microsoft tried to break. Not too interested in Microsoft. Said coin weekly bull flag. Let's look at that. I know that it's flagging. Not a big fan of how that last candle closed. Maybe, we'll see. Just not a huge fan of that last weekly candle. Anyways, let's see. We got down to Meta. We looked at Microsoft, Netflix. Still just sitting there. I mean, NVIDIA doesn't look bad. Just not my favorite setup. So we're going to skip over that. Let's take a look at PayPal. Literally slaughtered. Hate that stock. We looked at QQQ. We're waiting on Roku. Shopify don't care about. Snow don't care about. Let's take a look at SPX. We do have some daily gaps to fill. We already filled this one right here. So if we crack 44.6250 today, I'm looking for the next gap fill down into 44.43. So keep that one on watch. And then, I mean, after that, 4,400. So these are filled. Next one to watch is that SPY, SQ, Slaughter, Tesla. Not really seeing anything. And then UPST. Nice little head and shoulders on the 1 hour. Broke below it on Friday. Cool. So it looks like from the watch list, what I like today, Amazon, Meta, Apple, Caterpillar. Potentially Caterpillar. Alrighty. What time is it? 8:24. So I do want to wait until 8:30 before we start finalizing some levels. But those are the individuals that I like. And again, real quick, if you guys want this watch list, post it in the chat. Remember, you got to run it up. 225 likes. We got 230 people in here. 120 likes. I know you guys can do it. We do it every single live stream. So if you guys want this watch list, make sure to click that like button. Anyways, while we're sitting here waiting for the next 5 minutes, anybody got some questions that we can go over? And then once it hits 8:30, we can start narrowing the list, finalizing levels, and then we can go from there. Yes. Could also get a liquidity sweep below this low. I would be interested in that. You would just size down if you're entering late because your risk would be wider. So you would use smaller position. Do I like SPY reject 452.9? That could be an area. That's the area we rejected on Friday. But I also like these areas. Main bounce is still going to be down here, 445.30. Yes, I get a lot of people that ask me questions about taxes. Literally just get a tax professional and give them everything. That's all you have to do. Unfortunately, I cannot speak too much on taxes. I am not a certified tax advisor. In a few minutes, though, we can actually post SPY. SPY looks like the levels are going to stay valid. I mean, if SPX is hitting a key area, I'll just trade SPY. Like on Friday, SPX bounced off 4,500, right? So if we go to the 5-minute time frame, 4,500 right here, we saw a nice bullish price action. I don't trade SPX, so I watch SPY. As we can see, SPY, same exact thing as SPX hit 4,500. Very nice volume. Lower wick right here, confirming an entry long. So it's literally just looking at SPX. Is SPX approaching a key area? Watch the price action. If price action confirms on SPX, watch it on SPY. Typically, price action and volume will confirm it as well. And then you trade the SPY options. Yes, indeed. What other questions? We got 3 minutes until we start doing this list. It's so annoying that this thing is there. I'm gonna keep having to remove it. What else we got? Yeah, that liquidity sweep would be nice. Yeah, I was done. I mean, 170% on Apple, and then that SPY trade, I was done. I had no reason to keep trading. We have no news today. I think we have like one piece of news that isn't even important. And again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. And also, if you haven't already, again, I'm going to bring it up. This bootcamp right here. If you have not already, make sure you guys are watching these videos. Start from day 1, go all the way to day 6, right? As we continue to do the boot camp, it's going to get more and more advanced. But 31 days of brand new uploads. So starting off very basic, candlesticks and volume. Then we get into price action. These 2 days right here and then today is going to be identifying areas of interest. And then we're going to piece it together with price action and volume. And then we move on to more advanced stuff. So definitely make sure you guys are all caught up. If you have time today, watch every single video the entire way through. Highly suggested. Anyways, how do you avoid getting options exercised? Don't hold till expiration and don't let them expire in the money. And then you won't get an email about owing 38,000 like me. Oh no, should I say what tonight's bootcamp video is? Or should I make it a surprise? I think a surprise is better. 1 minute. Actually, 30 seconds. Let's get this rocking and rolling. So I guess with the new layout in Team Bull, I don't want to like blow up the watch list section. So I think I'm going to get it typed out like a longer list. And then just send it as one. SPY. When I take down the bootcamp videos, because they're only going to be public for a limited time, they're going to be made to channel members only. So channel members will have access to them forever. SPY, high probability bounce at 445 to 445.3. Main reject 450 to 450.26. QQQ. Jeez, I don't even got a bounce way down there. Very good bounces until 369.2 and 367.59. Main rejects. To 375.6. All right, as far as the individual stocks, I like Amazon, Meta, Apple, and Caterpillar. Amazon. Welcome to the channel members. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thanks for supporting the channel. A little tired this morning, if you guys can't tell. I'd be a little more hyped up, but thank you, Jeffrey. I appreciate it. Amazon above 141 actually doesn't look bad. Or bounce at 139.50, but if we fail this, then we got that daily gap fill. So I actually like Amazon all around. Looks pretty good. Meta, I don't know. We'll see about that. Really like Apple at that 184.28 for a reject. And then, I mean, Caterpillar, it really depends on the liquidity, but it doesn't look bad. So I think Amazon, Meta, and Caterpillar are going to be the ones that I want to put on the list today. So let's get Amazon typed out. It doesn't look bad above 141. Maybe a push back into Friday's high. That's 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, uptrend entry above 141. Let's get this typed out. It's on. Amazon. We're going to take Meta off. And again, if you guys want this watch list, post it in the chat. 225 likes. I know you guys can do it. And if you haven't already and you want to trade live with me for free for the next 2 days and everybody in Team Bull, plus be a part of my webinar today, which is going to be very educational, and Anna Kuhlin, author of, what's the book called? Volume, and I can't remember it. Volume Price Analysis, I think is what it's called. She's going to be coming in today and doing a webinar as well. So if you guys want, again, trade live with me for the next 48 hours, be a part of the webinars, join the Team Bull Trading community, make sure you guys use this link right here. If you don't like it at the end of the 2 days, go ahead and cancel. But hey, can't go wrong with free 48 hours. All right. Amazon, Apple. I actually think I had a bounce on Apple towards like 180 or something like that. Oh, it's way down there at 175. Yeah. That weekly 21 EMA doesn't look bad either. Apple interested in a reject at the 1 hour. $184.3. Yeah, if you don't like it, I don't know what's wrong with you. Got a little voice crack. Caterpillar. Cat. $274. 274.18. 61.8%. Retracement. Cool. That is the watch list. Let's get this sent out in Team Bull. Let's freaking run it. I'll let Nate post his watch list first. Well, I'm just getting this all typed out. I'll give it to you guys once we hit 225 likes. I know we're still in the hundreds. Let's see. We got 250 people in here and almost 200 likes. You guys are getting close. Everything I am watching today. Boom. Can we add multiple pictures at once? What? I guess we can do pictures. All right, so we got SPY, QQQ, just getting everything sent out in Team Bull, everybody. Tell you what, though, I am really interested in all these gap fills that we have in the market. Amazon, Apple. Also, has anybody watched that new, it's like a quarterback documentary on Netflix? I forget what it's called, but it's really good. I'm like three episodes in, I think. Highly suggest, because not only is it entertaining, but you can actually apply it to your trading as well. That's like the only time I'll ever watch something on like Netflix or Hulu or whatever, is if I can take what I am watching and somehow relate it to trading. And that TV show is very good at it. Caterpillar, yep, we got it all. Bang. 84.3. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Is it called QB? That's probably what it's called. Yeah. I'm gonna take your word for it because I don't remember. Also, I think I might have saw some SPY gaps. Let's see real quick. Is there any daily gaps on SPY? Yes, right here. So let's actually go ahead and mark those real quick so we have them. Cool. It's called QB on Netflix. That's what somebody said. Awesome. Let's see. Do we have 225 likes so you guys can get the watch list? We need 10 more. You guys are close. 10 more and I will drop it in this chat. Nate has a YouTube. Pretty sure he's got videos up. I think it's just Nate Trades. Should pop right up. We're getting close. Yeah, I've seen that. I've seen that show. Yes, indeed, I have seen. 5 more. Got an imbalance. We shall see. Tell you what, though, I'm pumped. I'm ready to trade today. I am ready. And then also, I think it's next week. I'm going to the beach Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I think I'm going to trade on Thursday, so I should be live, but I'm not going to be live on Friday. And I'm just going to take off the entire day on Friday, but I will still have a bootcamp video out for you guys. The entire, all days that I'm gone, I will still have a bootcamp video out for you all. So don't worry about that. But just next Friday, I will not be here. 3 more. Just Ocean City in Maryland. Nothing crazy. Just taking the fam. Go for a long weekend. Three more. I'm waiting for you guys. You guys got it. We're at 222. And then let's pull up ES. Again, that's a very important area. Got London highs. Maybe a liquidity sweep there. Alrighty. We got it. So, as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion. My opinion only. Option trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So, SPY. And again, I could be completely wrong today. This is just my ideal game plan. If the game plan doesn't work out, what do? We look for different setups. If the market offers no opportunity today, guess what? I won't take a trade. I will sit cash, gladly sit cash, and then wait for tomorrow. Boom. That is everything. That is everything. Any questions before I hop off for the day? Everything Everybody good? Guys ready to rock and roll, make some money? I'm pumped. Yes, I do have a video on liquidity sometime. I think it's in the next couple weeks, give or take. Alrighty. Alrighty. I just posted the watch list. Scroll up. Why is Team Bull so awesome? It's just the people we got and the community that we have. It's literally like a perfect combination. Me, J-Don, Grizzly, GD, Savage, Ghost, Nate. We're all like, all of our trading styles are so different and we just mix really good together. And then the community. Community is the best part. Let me tell you, you're in the Team Bull chat after 6 p.m. You might hear some crazy stuff. Might hear and see some crazy stuff, but Team Bull is definitely the community to be at. And again, if you haven't already, make sure to hop in for the free 2-day trial that we're doing. Next 48 hours, you get it completely free. If you don't like it, you can cancel. Right? So 2 days completely free. Come trade with me, trade with everybody else in Team Bull. There's that link right there. I sent it 100 times. You can't miss it. There we go. But, yeah. That's going to wrap it up today, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, for some reason, I cannot talk today. Don't know why. But, everybody have an amazing day. Make sure you guys tune in tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, where I will be live, giving you guys another free watch list. And make sure you guys are here, 7 p.m. Eastern Time tonight for bootcamp day number 7. So, let's run it up. Everybody have an amazing day. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. If you're in Team Bull, talk to you in like 10-15 minutes. Other than that, peace out.